Welcome to this episode of Cooking with Kirby. Today we're going to be doing some teriyaki chicken. After making this video right here, it's been requested that I do teriyaki chicken. A couple people contacted me on my website, cookingwithkirby.com, and they asked if I were to do my version of chicken teriyaki. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let's get into the recipe. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. For our teriyaki sauce, we're going to need a 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame seed oil, 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. You're also going to need 2 tablespoons of white wine or sake, 3 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. Now for the side, we're going to be doing a half of a medium onion sliced, 2 carrots sliced up. Now be careful if you're using a mandolin like I was doing. I cut my finger, but be really careful. We're also going to need 2 celery stalks and about 1.5 cups of chopped cabbage. For teriyaki chicken, I like to use the boneless chicken thighs. They're softer, they're juicier. So all we're going to do is we're just going to keep them whole and season them with salt and pepper. Now we're going to lay down some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, but you got to make sure that your wok or your pan is on high heat. You really want this to cook fast. So we're going to start off with our vegetables, the cabbage, the celery, carrots and onions, and we're going to season them with just a little bit of salt and pepper, and we're going to cook those down probably about 3 to 4 minutes. We just want to get, everything translucent, sweat it down, and once the carrots have a nice little bite to it, where it still has a crunch, but they're not, real hard, it's ready to go. So once the carrots are done, go ahead and remove it. Now with our veggies out of the way, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just pan fry our chicken thighs. Now I'm doing this like in the restaurants. This is how I learned how to do chicken teriyaki, and this is how we did it at the restaurant that I was working at. We just basically pan fried it. Make sure you get a good cook on that, probably about 3 to 4 minutes, 5 minutes on each side. Make sure to get a nice golden brown, and just make sure that it temps at 175 degrees. 165 at least, but I like my chicken thighs at 175 degrees. So go ahead and remove your chicken. You want to clean up your pan a little bit. Now we're going to work on our sauce. This is really simple. We're going to add all of our sauce ingredients, and I think I missed the brown sugar in here. Yeah, I didn't put I had my camera on pause, but the brown sugar is actually in there. Before you put the brown sugar, you want to make sure that you cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes, because you want to get the vinegar and the wine out of your sauce. As you can see, it's barely boiling. This is on low heat, but once you get the cornstarch in there, that's the thing, that 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water, it thickens it up. As you can see, that's making our sauce nice and glazy. Alright, we're almost done, folks. So we're going to take our chicken thighs and we're basically going to dip it in that sauce. We're going to get a nice good coating of that teriyaki sauce all over our chicken thigh. And as it, because these are still hot, and actually what's going to happen is it's going to thicken up all over that chicken. So you want to go ahead and serve it over a bed of rice and your vegetables that we cooked up earlier, and go ahead and give it a chop and sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds right on top. So what do you think about the recipe? Let me know down in the comment section. It's really easy to do and it tastes fantastic. I hope you try it out. As always, I'll leave the full printable recipe link down in the video description and in the comment section. That way you can go to cookingwithkirby.com and get the full printable recipe. Oh yeah, I have these recipes. They're really good. You should try them out. Now y'all be beautiful and take care.